Hello, good morning. So today we're going to review the fact families again, but with numbers 17 and 18. Again, it's with problem solving. So first, you need to start writing your name. Pick your name here. For example, you can enter Samantha Mateo. And you write Mateo here first, and you continue doing your exercise. So remember, related fact families have to be with three groups of number. And you always have a big one, and then you have a small two other groups. So remember, you had first made the two additions and then the two subtractions. Start 8 plus 9 equals 17. Good job. But now you change the other and you said 9 plus 8 equals 17. Then remember, when you make the subtraction, you put 70 first and you say 70 minus 8 equals 9. And then do the other exercise, you say 17 minus 9 equals 8. Good job. Now, if you have two equal numbers, you just have to make one addition and one subtraction, because it's going to be the same. The other one chain with two numbers. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. Good job. And then you just start with the subtraction. Say 18 minus 9 equals 9. Good job. So here are two exercises. First, Kristen saw 10 birds drinking water. Okay, 10 birds drinking. After drinking, 5 birds hop away. How many birds were still drinking? Okay, so you have 10 birds drinking water, but then after drinking water, 5, they just left to another place. So how much do you have now? Yes, so you take 10 minus 5 equals 5. Correct. So you still have 5 birds drinking water. Okay, let's do another one. Then 3 more birds come to drink. Oh, okay, so you had 5 and then 2. How many? 3 more. So you got 5 and then 3 more get there. So how much is 5 plus 3 equals 5 plus 3? You can count 6, 7, 8. Good job. So your answer is 8. Let's go to this exercise. Don saw 3 birds on the branch. Then 5 more birds come to sit on the branch. How many birds were on the branch? So there were 3, but then 5 more get there. So you start with 3 and then 5. So remember, 3 plus 5, how much is it? You can count. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Good job. So now you have 8. There are 8 birds on the branch. Okay. So now the 2 little birds flew away. Okay, so you got 8, 8, and then 2, 2 left. So how much do you have now? 2 left. Okay, you start with 8. You have 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Good job. So there are 6 words left on the branch. Let's do this exercise. Write the number for the fact family. Complete the related fact. Okay, so you got 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9, You can count 10, 11, 12 until you get to 18. Okay, now you switch. 18 minus 9, 9. Good job. So what are the numbers? 9, 9, and 18. You see? Let's see. 9, 9, and 18. Good job. Okay, let's do it again here. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8. How much is 8 plus 8? 8 plus 8, 16. And how much is 16 plus 8? 8. So what are the numbers? 16, 8, and 8. Good job. Good job. So now let's go to the next exercise. You can do this exercise and you can start counting 5 plus 4. How much is it? 9. How much is 9 plus 3? 11, 12. Good job. How much is 7 plus 5? 12 too. Good job. So this exercise, we're going to do it on Friday, okay? So we finished for today and have a great day.